With the substantial amount of money allocated for publicity, I'm sure you watching this video right now know about KUDA Bank, the bank of the free, formerly called KUDA Money, founded in 2017, renamed to KUDA Bank in 2019, founded by Babs Ogundeyi and Musti Mustafa. Hello everyone, welcome to Connect Log TV. Today we will be telling you about the founders of Nigeria's first mobile-only bank licensed by Central Bank. With its $55 million recently raised, KUDA Bank becomes Nigeria's 7th most valuable bank with over 1.4 million registered users. KUDA Bank was co-founded by Babs Ogundeyi, who is a business studies and accounting graduate of Brunel University, London, a co-founder of Motor Trader, Nigeria's first classified hard car magazine. He was also an engagement manager at PwC. Babs Ogundeyi also served under the Oyo State government as a special advisor to the governor on finance. He founded KUDA Money, Nigeria's first online-only lending and saving platform, in 2017. They later renamed KUDA Money to KUDA Bank in 2019 with his partner Musti Mustafa, who gained his BSc in computer science from the University of Ilorin, graduating with a first class, and a master's in computer science from the University of Lagos. Musti has worked with Keystone Bank, First Bank, Stanbic IBTC over the years. I know you're enjoying this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. KUDA Bank is known for not charging bank fees and earns significant support from the 2020 EndSARS protest due to their contribution to the protest. The bank awarded its millionth subscriber 1 million naira recently. It was listed as one of the 7th World Economic Forum African Technology Startup in 2021. Sure you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out our video on the Nigerian who acquired ShopRite. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification button to get notified whenever we post new videos, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.